How to change cost basis on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to change or choose the cost basis method in your Robinhood account. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. Robinhood currently uses the FIFO method by default. That means the first shares you bought are sold first. As of now, you can't manually change this in the app. So if you have specific reason to use other method like LIFO or specific share lots, you'll need to contact Robinhood support and request it. For that, tap on account icon on the bottom right corner. And here you'll see this 3 line on the top left corner. Click on it. Now click on Robinhood support. After that, click on help center. Now choose tax or cost basis question. Type your request and submit it. Here you can explain your issue and they will guide you accordingly within few days. So this is how you can change cost basis in Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.